Hello everyone. Thank you for coming here today. My name is Ryosuke MORITA. I'm the project coordinator from Yuko-Keiso. Today, we are here to talk about our experience in JCM model project in Indonesia. This presentation will be divided into 3 sections. We will start with talking about our company, and then move on to introduction of project in Indonesia. Finally, in summary, I will discuss the achievement of the project and what is important to succeed as JCM model project. So let me begin. Yuko-Keiso was founded in Tokyo in 1963. Overseas subsidiaries is in Hanoi, Vietnam. Since its foundation, we have been mainly engaged in designing, installation, and maintenance of building automation systems related to air conditioning, electricity, and security. We also have been involved in providing energy-efficient solutions to companies in Japan and other Asian countries. We have been providing consulting services for JCM model projects and have participated in 8 projects in 3 countries. Now, let's move on to the introduction of the project in Indonesia. First, we'd like to introduce the overview of the project. The project is called Installation of Energy-Saving Equipment and Solar Power System to Complex Building in Jakarta. The project was carried out at the Senayan Square complex in Jakarta. We installed high-efficiency chillers, high-efficiency air conditioners, and solar power system. The old chillers and air conditioners were replaced with new ones, and the solar power system was newly installed. Installation work began in February 2023 and was completed in December of the same year. We will monitor chillers and air conditioners for the next 15 years, from 2024 to 2038, and solar power system for 17 years, from 2024 to 2040. The figure on the right shows the implementation structure of this project. International consortium of companies from Japan and partner country implement the project. In this project, Yuko-Keiso was a representative participant and concluded a consortium agreement with PT Senayan Tolikarya Simpanan, STS of Indonesia. The project was adopted as JCM model project by the Ministry of the Environment of Japan and the Global Environment Center Foundation. The equipment was installed by the construction company contracted with STS. Next, we introduce STS, a local partner. STS was established in 1991 and has developed and operated the Senayan Square complex. The Senayan Square complex consists of 2 shopping centers, 3 office towers, 4 apartments, and 1 hotel. STS is an affiliate of the Japanese construction company Kajima Corporation, and the Senayan Square complex is supported by Kajima Corporation. Here is information about the site and the equipment installed for this project. 4 new chillers were installed, 2 in the shopping center and 2 in the office building. Air conditioning units were installed in 2 shopping centers. 4 outdoor units were installed in each shopping center to cool the air. Solar power system was installed on the roof of one of the Senayan Square's buildings, which will generate and supply electricity to 2 of the office buildings. The total of the 3 types of equipment is expected to reduce annual CO2 emissions by 1,493 tons. There are before and after pictures of the installation. Although it is difficult to see the changes in the picture, chillers have been updated to high-efficiency ones. Air conditioner used to be a single split type that required one outdoor unit for each indoor unit, but the number of outdoor units has been reduced because we made the change to multi-type, which one outdoor unit is responsible for multiple indoor units. Solar power system was installed on the building roof, where was originally a rooftop parking lot. I would like to discuss two features of this project. The first feature is installation of both high-efficiency equipment and renewable energy systems. We implemented two of the most effective greenhouse gas emission reduction measures in the shopping centers and office building. We are confident that this will be a good example of implementing the JCM model project with shopping centers and office building as project site. The second feature is the selection and introduction of the most suitable equipment based on past operational results. Although installing high-efficiency equipment is an effective way to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, selecting top-of-the-line equipment based on catalog specification is not always the best choice. The type and capacity of equipment should be selected based on the operating load factor and other factors from actual past operations. In this project, since the chiller and air conditioners are replacement of existing equipment, we were able to select the most suitable equipment with consideration of past operational results. This table shows the main differences between existing and newly installed equipment. For the chiller installed in the shopping center, we selected a smaller capacity of 720 refrigeration tons, whereas the existing equipment was 900 refrigeration tons. The chiller installed in the office building has not been changed in capacity, but has been upgraded from non-inverter type to inverter type. As for the air conditioning system, the existing equipment was non-inverter types single-split air conditioning, but changed to inverter type multi-air conditioner so that greater effect can be expected. We now move on to the last section. Here we present the achievement of this project and what is important to succeed as JCM model projects. There are two achievements. The first is that we were able to make the choice to implement this large-scale renewal because of the subsidy through JCM model projects. STS, the local partner, has been installing energy-saving equipment before. Previous implementation has been relatively quick return on investment and highly profitable, such as upgrading to LEDs and exhaust fan inverters. Although this project was a large-scale renewal and the investment cost was significant, the over 20% subsidy promoted the realization of this project. The second one is that we were able to contribute to the sustainable urban development in Indonesia. Construction work brings huge environmental impacts, but by introducing advanced equipment through the JCM model project and maintaining them for 15 or 17 years, we will contribute to reducing the frequency of construction work. Nyan Square is a landmark of Jakarta, and it is expected to have a spreading effect to other cities and buildings in Indonesia by becoming a long-life model project for urban development that reduces the environmental impact of building life cycle. Finally, we discuss about what is important to succeed as JCM model projects. The most important point for succeeding as JCM model project is the close communication between the representative participant and the local partner. Since the project period for JCM model project is determined at the time of adoption, it is necessary to implement the project smoothly. Therefore, it is important to keep close communication and develop detailed plan among the consortium at the launch phase of the project. Also, during the project implementation phase, it is necessary to share information about even minor problems and to manage risk together. JCM model projects require continuous monitoring for long periods after installation of the equipment. In our project, the chillers and air conditioners need to be monitored for 15 years and the solar power system for 17 years. In order to conduct long-term monitoring, the consortium should build a sustainable monitoring system, and the representative participants and local partner should cooperate continuously. Thank you for listening.